soaks up everything around us. Is it unicorn magic, pixie dust, or something else entirely? You know, the stuff we use every day, like pencils, tables, the food you eat, your clothes, your phone, and even your annoying siblings. Well, to burst your bubble, it's all a matter of matter. And today, we're diving into the world of matter to learn about its characteristics and classifications. Let's begin by exploring the early and modern classification of matter. In ancient times, Indian philosophers classified matter into 5 basic elements: the Panch Tattva, air, earth, fire, sky, and water. According to them, everything in the universe, whether living or non-living, was made up of these 5 elements. Fast forward to modern times, and scientists have evolved to types of classification of matter based on their physical and chemical properties. In this lesson, we will be focusing on matter based on its physical properties. Now that we understand how matter has been classified in the past and present, let's define what matter actually is. Simply put, everything around us is made up of matter. Matter can be defined as anything that occupies space and has mass. What are the characteristics of matter? Firstly, matter is made up of small particles called atoms, which are constantly moving. These particles have spaces between them and are attracted to each other due to the force of attraction. Let's delve deeper into the characteristics of particles of matter. One interesting aspect is that particles of matter have space between them, which is why gases can be compressed so much. When sugar is dissolved in water, the sugar particles disappear in water because they adjust in the spaces between the particles of water. That's also why there is no rise in water level when you add sugar to water. Particles of matter also attract each other due to the force of attraction. This force of attraction between particles keeps them bonded together. The force of attraction is greatest between particles of solid, moderate between particles of